Welcome back to Dinar Community, your trusted guide to Iraqi dinar news. In today's update, we're diving into a highly anticipated topic in the IQD space. What role will Chase Bank play in the Iraqi dinar exchange if a revaluation (RV) occurs? With growing interest worldwide, many dinar holders are asking important questions. Will Chase participate? What limits or requirements might there be? How should you prepare? Let's explore what investors should expect and how to be fully ready if the RV becomes a reality. Will Chase Bank handle IQD exchanges after the RV? At this time, Chase Bank has not issued any official statement regarding its position on exchanging Iraqi dinar following a revaluation. However, financial experts suggest the bank may adopt a cautious, step-by-step approach, a pattern typically seen in large-scale financial changes. Rather than opening exchanges to the public all at once, it's likely that Chase will introduce a tiered system. Customers might be prioritized based on their account level, past banking history, and the completeness of their verification documents. This approach helps ensure compliance with federal regulations and reduces operational risks. Expect daily exchange limits. One of the most likely procedures is the implementation of daily exchange caps. This means that even if the RV is announced, you probably won't be able to convert all your dinar in a single visit. Exchanges may be stretched over several days or weeks, depending on your account type and the volume of your IQD. High net worth clients under Chase Private Client or JP Morgan Wealth Management might receive higher limits and faster service. Standard customers could face tighter restrictions. These rules aren't meant to penalize, rather, they're designed to protect the banking system from overload and fraud. Why do banks use these limits? During massive financial events, such as a currency revaluation, banks like Chase need to maintain stability and regulatory compliance. Unlimited exchanges could stress their cash reserves and data systems, opening the door to security risks. For this reason, Chase and similar institutions will likely follow strict procedures aligned with anti-money laundering (AML) laws and know your customer (KYC) policies. These frameworks help verify that all funds and currency sources are legal and traceable. Be ready for document checks. Before attempting to exchange your IQD at Chase, or any major bank, you'll need to prove ownership and identity. Expect to provide proof of purchase for your dinar, receipts, purchase agreements, etc. A valid government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport. Possibly, evidence of the funds used to buy your dinar. If you're not currently a Chase customer, the bank may apply extra scrutiny before allowing any transactions. Priority service for wealth clients. Clients with Chase Private Client or Wealth Management accounts are more likely to receive faster processing, higher daily exchange limits, access to financial advisors who can help plan tax and investment strategies post-RV. However, even if you don't fall into that category, standard account holders will still be served, just possibly with more steps and longer timelines. Large withdrawals may be delayed. Don't expect to walk in and walk out with a briefcase full of cash. After an exchange, large cash withdrawals will likely be discouraged. Instead, Chase may recommend direct deposit to your bank account, wire transfers to investment or brokerage accounts, bank-issued checks. These methods help manage branch traffic and keep transactions secure. If you do require physical cash, you may need to schedule an appointment and wait for approval. The process could take time. The idea that you'll complete your entire exchange on day one is likely unrealistic. Depending on customer volume and your documentation, the exchange process may stretch over several days or longer. Having your paperwork in order and a clear plan in place will help avoid delays. Patience and organization are key. 5 steps to prepare now. Want to get ahead of the curve? Here are 5 smart moves to make before the RV. 1. Open an account with Chase if you don't already have one. 2. Gather all receipts and documentation related to your dinar purchases. 3. Meet with a bank representative to ask about potential procedures for foreign currency exchanges. 4. Develop a phased exchange strategy to account for daily limits. 5. Start planning your financial future. Talk to a tax advisor, consider investment options, and decide how you'll handle new funds. Keep your options open. Even though many hope Chase will participate in the RV exchange process, remember, nothing is confirmed yet. If Chase doesn't offer the service, alternatives may include Wells Fargo or Bank of America. licensed foreign currency exchange providers, private wealth management firms with international experience. Doing your homework and diversifying your plan will ensure you're not dependent on one institution. Final thoughts. The Iraqi dinar revaluation could be a life-changing event for those who are prepared. Whether Chase Bank plays a major role or not, your success will depend on your level of preparation, planning, and flexibility. At Dinar Community, we're here to help you stay informed every step of the way. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates.